Artec Ray is a 3D scanner designed to scan large and very large objects. For example, airplanes, ships, windmills, propellers, etc. Using this scanner, you can quickly create a 3D model of large production areas or objects. And the high accuracy of the scan allows you to use the data for engineering calculations. Artec Ray is capable of scanning over long distances. Its working range starts from 2 meters and reaches up to 110 meters, which is more than the height of the Statue of Liberty. The scanner works with sub-millimeter accuracy and gives some of the best results among laser scanners. Artec Ray works with industry-acclaimed 3D scanning software, Artec Studio, so the scanner is well integrated with all Artec products. The best solution is to use different types of Artec scanners, for example Artec Ray plus Artec EVA, because large objects often have certain zones which are difficult for one scanner alone to capture. But Ray is very different from other Artec scanners. It is not handheld, but rather a long-distance scanner. The laser beam moves in a vertical plane and scans the space around, managing to create more than 200,000 points every second. The reflections of the laser are caught by a round rotating mirror, while the scanner itself rotates in a horizontal plane, 360 degrees, while the scanner covers 270 degrees vertically. To scan complex scenes from multiple angles, all you need to do is place standard spheres or even 2D targets around the scene for fast and effortless alignment later on. Artec Ray also records color data to make navigating through your scans that much easier. It is very easy to work with a scanner. One person can control it. The scanner weighs about 5 kilograms and it requires a fixed tripod as well as a computer. Within just a few minutes, Artec Ray is able to scan a large space, and then the tripod is simply moved over to another spot, and the operation is repeated as many times as necessary, so that all the dead zones are scanned by Ray's laser beam. It is possible to scan not the entire space, but only selected areas, using the selective scanning function. It is interesting to note that you can do this even without a computer. You can control the scanner with an iPhone or an iPad, so the data in this case is written to the SD card. And Artec Studio will receive it later on by reading the data from the card. Raw data from Artec Ray is in the form of a dense point cloud. Artec Studio transforms the point cloud into a polygonal mesh using its well-known versatile tool set. The point cloud can also be exported in formats specifically designed for this kind of data. The polygonal model is stored in other formats, which are usual for 3D models. The post-production process for Artec Ray is the same as for other Artec scanners. Users must take into consideration that the final file can be larger than usual. Artec Ray can capture some truly huge objects.